Are Nirvana still a punk band?
Well, I like biorhythm machines, and I put my hand in one, and it was a pretty punk readout. It cut my hand.
He said, "Lord, you're so punk."
Well, no, but I mean, does that term still apply to you guys though? Or have you?
So I don't think we've ever been labeled as punk rock in the first place. We just played in the underground circuit. We like punk rock more than any other style of music, so yeah, we're punk rock.
Well, I think everybody was sort of into punk rock before the band really evolved anyway.
We were a band.
So it's definitely everyone was sort of bred on the punk thing.
Okay. Now, I'm sure you dislike labels, but then where do you see that your music fits in?
In rock and roll.
But isn't it this?
Pretty wide.
I think what did they call it before, the sub pop sound?
Oh, the sub pop sound.